Hello teachers, I'm so excited to bring you some brand new updates coming to Reading Progress in the near future. What's amazing about these updates is that they're going to enhance Reading Progress with AI powered experiences. There are three. The first one is passage generation, the ability to create a passage using the educational insights that we have from all of the readings that our students have completed to be able to create a personalized reading passage based on words that our students are having trouble with or based on phonic rules that our students are having trouble with, and we can assign them to the entire class or to that specific student. So think about the personalized reading experience for our students. It's amazing. The second one is expression, the ability to use AI to see if our students are maybe reading in a monotone voice. Maybe they're skipping punctuations. Maybe they're pausing too much. Maybe they're rushing through the reading. So we're going to be able to see that too. And finally, one of my favorites, and I know a lot of teachers have been asking for this, the ability to add comprehension questions to the reading passage. Comprehension questions that you can create, and in the future, comprehension questions that can be generated by AI. So let's look at them really quick, okay? So one of my favorite ones, again, is the ability, and here it goes, to create a passage to create a personalized reading experience based on those words that our students are having difficulties with, or maybe those phonics rules. So notice over here, selecting some words that we want our students to be able to use, generate passage, and the student is going to have a passage that is generated on the words that he or she is having trouble with, okay? So pretty amazing to be able to do this using artificial intelligence. Again, based on words that they're having difficulty with, or maybe based on phonic rules that they're having difficulty with, okay? So pretty incredible, okay? So the next feature that I'm really excited about is expression, okay? So over here, we have an assignment that has been completed by our student. In this case, I am the student, but notice that in addition to accuracy, now we have something new called expression. And when I click on there, you're going to see that it's going to tell me that this particular student was reading in a monotone voice, okay? You also are going to see that when the student read, what is big and bright, they did not use the question mark, so skip the question mark. So the intonation for a question mark was wrong, okay? The same thing with this one right here, the question mark over here when it was supposed to use the exclamation, it wasn't there. So Reading Progress is able to see the expression that the student is using, okay? In addition to that, if the student is rushing through the reading, you can see that. Or if they're having extended pauses, you can see that too. So pretty incredible to be able to see that, okay? And the third one, and again, one of my favorite ones, is the ability to create comprehension questions, whether you are creating your own or whether they are being generated by artificial intelligence. So here is the reading passage that we have, and notice that you have the ability to generate questions by using artificial intelligence, or you can add your own, okay? I'll show you how you will add your own. So I'm going to go in here. Let me go ahead and go to my teams, and I'm going to create a brand new assignment. So let's go to assignment. Let's go ahead and create a new assignment. Okay, let's just call it reading comprehension. Let's go ahead and attach the reading progress. And remember, you can attach some from the sample library or something you have created or you want to use that you are using in your class. I'm going to grab something that I use. Here it goes. I'm going to use the picnic. I'm going to attach it. Remember, you have the ability to edit the passage once it's brought into Reading Progress. So let me get rid of the oral reading fluency grades 1 through 6 here, just really quick. And at the bottom, I have the word count and also placement. So it's perfect now. And notice that over here, I have the ability to add comprehension, create questions to ask the student understanding of the passage. So I turn this on and that's going to open. It's actually using Microsoft Forms. And now I can come in here and I can add questions to picnic. And I have the ability to add a description and add new questions in here. I have the ability to add choice or text if I want to. So multiple choice, okay? And I'll create the question. So why was the student frowning? And you will select which is the correct answer. And you can continue to add the points if you wanted to, right? If there are multiple answers, you can add that. If it's required, obviously you want to make it required, right? And you'll be able to add your question and you can keep adding questions. And maybe I wanted to add a text question right here and I can add the question and the students will enter their answer. So again, the ability to use comprehension based on the reading passage that the students are reading. Pretty exciting. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.